Hey guys, today I'm super excited because Gerard Cosmetics actually sent me a PR package. Well, how it works is I've explained it like a lot of times every time I do a PR package like haul from them. I explain that basically what they do is they put a credit into your account, so everybody that is affiliated with them will get a credit put into their account, which I absolutely love because it gives us the chance to pick what we personally want, because it's not just like a box that is just with set colors and everything and they just ship it off to everybody. Instead, they give us the option to pick whatever we want on the website. A lot of them are new products that I have not tried before, and I'm super excited to expand like my Gerard Cosmetics collection. Just got this package like an hour ago. I had to go pick it up because I wasn't home yesterday when they tried to deliver it, so after work today I went and I picked it up, so I'm super excited to just open everything. The only thing that I did so far was opened the packaging, like the box that it came in, but everything else is still in the packaging. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm excited. Let's just get into this video. Also, I can't believe I always forget to mention this. I do have a 30% off promo code with Gerard Cosmetics, so you can go ahead and use Alex30 for 30% off your entire order. So first we're going to start off with lipsticks. I picked up 3 different shades, and then 2 of them are duplicates because I am going to give it to my mom because she loves Gerard Cosmetics as well. So when I can, I give her some stuff. Like when she bugs me enough, I do let her pick what she wants. So the first lipstick that I got is $19.95. It comes in this gold little bullet containers. Has the name. And that is what it looks like. I have this in the liquid lipstick and I really like it. I'll swatch it for you guys. Oh gosh, hopefully I don't get my sweater dirty. Probably shouldn't have worn white, but it's fine. Ta-da! So that is what $19.95 looks like. Let me fix it up a little bit. So this is a better swatch for you guys. It's like a burnt orangey reddish, very pretty color. Next up we have the Buttercup lipstick as well. And they are very buildable, which I love. Oh, I love this color. So that is what it looks like. It's a very pretty color and all the lipsticks are very buildable. Next we have Rodeo Drive. Ooh, so this is like a deeper kind of color. Interesting. Oh, this one is more pigmented. Out of all 3, I'd say this one is the most pigmented, but again, they're all very buildable. So that is the 3 of them, $19.95, Buttercup and Rodeo Drive. I actually really like all 3 of them, to be honest. I think this one is my favorite actually. I think Rodeo Drive is my favorite one. But they're all super pretty and the formula is very buttery, like you can just feel it just glides on. So I am super excited to try these. I think I'm gonna wear this one first actually, Rodeo Drive. Super excited for these. Moving on, another lip product that I got is the Buttercream like lip scrub. Ooh, I like the little matte like packaging, the frosted kind of look it has. So that is what it looks like. It is small. I'd say it's like the size of a toonie. And then the inside. Oh, it smells good. Nothing too strong, but nothing too like light. Like you can smell that there is a hint to it, but it's nothing like crazy, and it actually smells really good. Let's try. So it is rough. You can definitely feel like the fine little grainy bits to it. Once it's on your lips, like I don't smell it. I'll only smell it like if I actually put it to my nose. So if you are scent sensitive, honestly, like this one probably won't even bother you. But let me show you. This is what it looks like. And you can feel the little like grainy bits to it. It's very moisturizing, I'll tell you that. Like right off the bat, I can feel that it is moisturizing. It's probably the shea butter in it. So this has sucrose, shea butter, flavoring oil, beeswax, almond oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil. So there's 3 different oils: almond oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil. Oh, and flavoring oil, so 4 oils. Beeswax is really good for your lips. I used to have a beeswax like chapstick, so that's really good for your lips. Shea butter is also very like moisturizing, so that's another plus. Almond oil, again, good. Avocado oil, I've heard it's good for like things like your hair as well. I haven't heard that it's good for your like your lips, but. And then grapeseed oil, I haven't heard anything about that, but overall ingredients are really good in this. So I would definitely recommend this so far. Like, my lips are soft, I'll tell you that, and then you can feel the little grainy bits, which is what it's gonna do for you. Like, a scrub is obviously gonna have little things just so you can fix it so your lips are very soft. So I'm excited to continue to use this, and I can already tell my lips feel hydrated. Moving on to the very last thing I chose, it is the BB Plus. So I've always wanted to try this. And they even had a kit of 3 different shades, but I figured I would honestly probably only use this one. So I just decided to pick up the full size of this. And I've had my eye on it forever. It's in the shade Grace, and it is like a facial cream. So what it does is you basically can put it under your makeup and it makes you all glowy, or you can mix it with your foundation. So that is what it looks like. It's a gold shade, the one that I picked, so let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, it's like a liquid highlighter. It's very blendable. As you can see, it is easy to spread out. Let me just finish mixing this into my skin. Oh my gosh, it gives you such a pretty glow. You guys see that? And it's like from far. Oh my god. Why did I take so long to try this? Look at the difference. Like, look at how just glowy and healthy my skin looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this on my face. Look at that. Like, look at the difference. It is a little bronzier than my skin, but honestly, I'm not complaining. I'm so excited to put this under my makeup because I'm gonna be a little bit more tan and be just glowy and healthy. You can also wear it without any makeup as well, but honestly, I personally wouldn't, just because I would just be glowing like crazy. And that, I mean, in the summer, that's good. You can probably use it on your body too. I don't know if that's a thing, but like, I don't, like, look at that. Like, just look at the freaking difference. Now I kind of regret not getting the 3. Maybe I'll get it next time. I'm gonna wait, and then next time I have another credit. So yeah, this is the BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream. Wow. So the directions are: apply to clean skin over or under foundation or moisturizer. This was definitely more impressive than I expected. I should not have waited this long to try it. But yeah, guys, that was everything. Shout out to Gerard Cosmetics. Honestly, they are such a good company. I absolutely love them. And if you are into eyeshadow, I know they are also bringing out an eyeshadow primer, so you can check that out. It'll be linked in the description. All the products as well that I mentioned that I picked up, especially this BB cream, will be linked in the description. And also, I can't believe I always forget to mention this, I do have a 30% off promo code with Gerard Cosmetics, so you can go ahead and use Alex30 for 30% off your entire order. So that'll also be in the description in case you forget, and then I will have all the links to absolutely everything that I mentioned and a couple extra things that I personally love to use and always use, so that will be linked in the description as well. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can definitely leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. That is everything. That's everything that I picked up. So shout out to Jen. Thank you so much again for the PR credit. You are absolutely the best, and Gerard Cosmetics is honestly like my favorite for lip products, especially lip liners. I do have so many lip liners and I always stock up on lip liners. Last time I had credits, I think they were having 5 lip liners for $25. So your girl went ham and I got so many lip liners. So I'm stocked right now that I didn't get any, but trust me, try their lip liners. Their teeth whitening pen is also one of my favorites. This lip scrub, just trying it right now, I can tell you my lips feel very hydrated, so I'm definitely going to use this more, and I'm almost certain this is going to become a holy grail, especially for wintertime here in Canada. It is so cold and my lips become so dry, and I'm obsessed with like chapstick, lip balm, anything. But yeah, that was everything. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!